Hi everybody, good evening. I'm doing continue doing rooms for Love at First Bridge, a beginner friendly, live red team in CTF designed to help you fall in love with breaking things safely. Now the room I'm doing now is where's the room I'm doing now is this one is when hearts collide. You will find your MD5, so you already tell us MD5 there. If you read the room, it said when hearts collide. My dearest hacker, Matchmaker is playful, harsh power experience that pair you with your ideal dog by comparing MD5 fingerprint, upload a photo, let the harsh chemistry do its thing, and watch the site reveal whether you vibe already match one of our curated pups. The algorithm is completely transparent, making every match feel like a wink from fate instead of random sweeps. Come get your dog today, and of course they give you an IP, and if you go there, that's what you'll find. Matchmaker, find your perfect dog, share a photo, feel the vibe, and let Matchmaker pair you with pup, the pup whose energy matches. Upload a photo that shows the real you. Our matching engine highlights that energy that matter most, and they set profile. That's of course not true. And then how we pair human with dogs. Matchmaker keeps up with the universe by comparing your photo MD5 hash to every doggo snapshot that wandered through the site. If your hash is identical to the pup, that's our cue. The algorithm wags its glittering tail and declares you a match. It's basically a cosmic serendipity disguised as a cryptographic checksum. No sweeps, no small talk, just hash pod chemistry upload, let the magic model dance, and if two hashes line up, consider tails weighing. Matchmaker is a live in beta new vibe arrive weekly, so basically it is what it is. So as always, I like to open my network tab to see exactly what's going on in this network. Now if I refresh it, does nothing special happen in it, just calling font updates, yes, favicon something. Of course we have a link here, so basically we can open this one, so we have something there. So Matchmaker, it tells we can check this could be your dog, just take a look at this cute dog. Okay, if you have a picture of a dog, and then return to Matchmaker, we're not returning. The next thing, of course, viewing the page source of your website to see if anything you're missing or you don't something. You can also do go bust of a directory, but this room is already giving you the hint of uh, what's the name, hint for MD5. We have the upload directory. You can see upload endpoint, submit. Nothing special in the source code, so we can do it. And but we know it's an MD5. So if you search, for example, online to MD5 collusion, one tool will come to it's fast call. It's an old 9 years old fast call, and you can see it tell you it's a C++ to compile. I'm not using compile, we'll use Docker for that. It said MD5 collusion generator. But before we do that, let's understand how this application, if I upload any image from the system and see what happen if I any pictures, just download something. So that's how it react. It called upload endpoint, and that's it. It's a post request to endpoint, and then of course it's still uploading, I think. And it said no uploaded profile. Why is not open? It said no match found, and it said dogs waiting for your hash love. So because the hash we don't, the assumption is one thing you can do, because you try to understand the logic of this room. For example, I just save this one. I thought to do this trick, for example, before when I was playing for the first room was broken. It confused me, to be honest. So if I upload the same image, okay, need to go back to the room. I don't need this one network. It's not today. It's not the one we need. This room is just it's like for this CTF they give it too small memory or something. So let's get the dog image that to see what exactly how this image react. And so your photo already lives here. We already received that exact snapshot, so there is no need to upload it again. Okay, but only if I upload the same things I just uploaded now in from the picture. Which one we bought the dark one? Oh, hold on, that's a CSV. That's why I didn't show it. Oh, your photo already live here, so I did the CSV. I'm not supposed. That's why I didn't see it. Let's get something else. So if you upload something like that, well, that's why you said they didn't work because it was broken this ROM, and you can see. So this one is so basically it's almost we need to upload something that match the hashes. So the plan, of course, that's what the idea to call MD5 collusion. So we can generate two files. That's a Docker run. We need to generate two files. They have the same hash, and when we upload the first one, then we upload the second one, and then we can get the flag. Now the instruction to install that one, I'm not compiling, I'm using the Docker one. So let's do this one quicker so we don't waste everybody time. The command that you need, there's only two, so I can just copy that one, pull that one first. So he's using the latest, he copy in that one, and then we can just use the run it. That's the command. We do collusion 1, we're using the same picture of the dog. Not necessary use the same picture, I'm just using it. You can use any picture if you want, so that's not necessary. We're only creating the two collusion the same one. So if I do that, now if I do ls, and that's MD5 sum, and I say collusion 1, and if I do MD5 collusion 2, now we have the same file, and these two, they are image of dogs. So let me show you. So it's not like a confusion. You can see they are dogs. Collusion 1 and collusion 2. That's collusion 2. Collusion 1, that's collusion 2. That's the same doggy. And then we have the original dog is dog.jpg. Now because we will now upload our first one, so we can upload our first new match. Let's go back to the home page. Now let's upload our collusion 1. Collusion 1 upload. Of course will tell us that there is no match. That's fine. So it said no match. Now let's go upload collusion 2. Because now there are two, he will match it with the other one for some reason. And now we match. And you scroll down, you get your flag. So the flag is in the bottom. You can scroll, see your flag, and then we have it. So the whole idea, because the whole room is talking about MD5, you get the collusion story. You search online, you find the tool, you just use it, and the flag is as I said, you scroll down, you can see your flag, and then that's the instruction how to install it as we did it here. It's only two commands, you can do it and fast, and then you can just do that. So that's exactly what it is, guys. Thank you very much and have a good day.